And so, I have the immense pleasure today to show you how to apply an HDRI in Blender. Let's get started. To get an HDRI, you need to go to an HDRI website. So in JPEG format, very important. Install in JPEG, right there JPEG, otherwise Blender won't accept the format. Once you have opened Blender, if you have an object already selected, like a cube, it's not the ring that lifts the materials, it's indeed the world ring. So there you go. I don't have an object, so I'm going to remove it to show you. Once in the world ring, we'll start setting the background properly. It's default and in color. Image texture. Open. I saved it on my desktop. So the desktop, my image texture. My HDRI image. It's called HDRI, which is the tutorial. I select it, and if I put a bad render in Navy, logically it should display. And there you go. We have our HDRI sky, which is really perfect. And so there you go. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you can like, subscribe, and I say to you, have a good day, have a good evening, bye.